Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Investors are keenly watching the companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange and the mixed bag of financial results for their most recent quarter. Lasco Manufacturing Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending June 30, 2025 reports a 12% decrease in first quarter net profit. Then Lasco Distributors Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending June 30, 2025 reports first quarter net profit of $303.95 million. Iron Rock Insurance Company Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending June 30, 2025 reports 6 months net loss of $31.42 million. Knutsford Express Services Limited audited financials for the 12 months ended May 31, 2025 reports a year-end net profit of $236.95 million. For the trading period ending July 30, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 27,270,945 units traded, representing 31.61% of market sales volume. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 11,224,536 units traded, representing 13.01% of market sales volume. Gas station operator Regency Petroleum Company Limited with 6,769,041 units traded, representing 7.85% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 31, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $48.85 million purchased and US $55.29 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.16 per dollar, selling the US at $161.25 and buying the US at $159.09. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders $1.59 per transaction, with selling at $116.74 and buying at $115.15. The British pound yielded forex traders $8.51 in profits, with selling at $216.52 and buying at $208.01. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit can feel painfully slow, but it's a step-by-step return to financial power. It's frustrating when the effort doesn't match the speed of the results. You're making payments, you're disputing errors, you're applying smartly, but the score creeps up inch by inch. Yet, what waits on the other side of that slow climb? Benefits. That includes lower interest rates, access to business capital, and more financial options. When you're rebuilding your professional life and your financial life after the age of 45, from financial recovery to financial resilience, it can be slow and sometimes soul-wrenching with its frustration. And this is especially true when you're a professional woman over the age of 45 trying to pitch ideas, attract funding, stay relevant, and still carry the weight of past money mistakes, family obligation, or burnout. I know this journey too well. Pitching feels like a never-ending cycle of proving your worth. Finding team support, like dating all over again, with high risk and even higher disappointment. And getting the cash you need to hit those meaningful life and business goals feels like trying to catch the wind. But here's the truth I want you to hold on to. It's worth it. Every setback Every no, every lonely moment, every tear has value when you are walking toward your financial comeback. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.